can't really do anything crazy right now because I have like 2 miles on the new gear set. So this is 331 gears with a Eaton truetrac on it. Gotta wait for the old light. Barely into the throttle. Nice and easy. Stuff in the road. Good time. Set cruise at 55. Look at that RPM. Yeehaw! So, a lot to load because of the lower gear, so it pulls nicely, and it also cruises super nicely at speed. I'm on side road, so I can't really do anything crazy. I'm not trying to anyhow. I'm sure we'll have to adjust a couple things in the tune. I did change the gear ratio and tire size to match what I've got right now, so it was all about quarter throttle. So far so good. I like them.